Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust forward edge headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, and some masking tape. Proper headlight aim is crucial for safety, ensuring you can see clearly without dazzling oncoming traffic. This simple DIY guide will help you improve your night driving visibility significantly. Before you begin, park your forward edge on a level surface, facing a wall or garage door about 25 feet away. Make sure your gas tank is approximately half full and there isn't any unusually heavy cargo inside. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Mark this height on the wall with masking tape. Now, open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. On many forward edge models, these are white hex heads that can also be turned with a Phillips head screwdriver. Turn the screw to raise or lower the beam. For low beams, the brightest part of the light should be about 2 inches below the horizontal tape line you marked earlier. Forward edge headlights typically only have vertical adjustment. Once adjusted, double-check the beam pattern on the wall to ensure both headlights are evenly aimed and not too high, which could blind oncoming drivers. Take your forward edge for a test drive at night to fine-tune the aim if needed, ensuring maximum visibility and safety. Remember, proper headlight alignment is key for confident night driving. And speaking of quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.